Hi there. It is 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time where I'm at. Um, I'm just going to show you this um, map of the United States here with the alerts. These light green are flooding areas, and this is a storm coming. We can see it on the radar in a few minutes. These pink ones are red flag warnings, which mean it's dry, which is kind of comical compared to everything else going on. The brown is wind advisory in here. And then this yellow is high wind warning. Up here it tells a series of storm systems will bring significant precipitation to western U.S. during the next few days. Drought-stricken California and Nevada will experience copious beneficial rain and mountain snow, although isolated flash flooding is possible in portions of California where flash flood watches are in effect. The storm will also be windy, quite windy, so wind advisories are also in effect. Okay, yes, for an area that has been really dry, to have it rain and rain and rain and rain, there can be a lot of problems from that. But what I wanted to show you is if I go up here on home and click that, and then I come down, oops, that's not what I wanted. Let's go back over here, I'm sorry. That was my area. It's expected to rain in my area for like the next week. But if we click on satellite here, all right, now you're going to see, I'm going to click on the 24 hours. You're going to see over in this area a weird flash with some lines in, and I can't get close to it, and I can't make it stop. So just pay attention to right over here, right there, okay? So that's energy being put into this system. Now, if you watch down here, it tells the time, and we'll do it again. And just keep watching. This right at the very end part of this. There. Okay, and let's look on this part of the satellite, which is the water vapor. And it shows on here. There we go. Okay, and it seems to be hitting right in the areas where it's already raining a lot. Let's do it one more time here for 24 hours. Oops, I'm sorry. Watch right in there. Ta-da. Okay, then it goes back to the beginning. Okay, so let's look at another spot. It doesn't show up on, this is just the visible light. It doesn't show up on here, I'll show you, that I can see. See, I don't see anything that's like a telltale sign of anything like that. All right, let's look at a difference. Okay, this is College of DuPage, and you will see right in this area a huge energy whammy. And here's the date and time for it right now. I think I'm going to go just one at a time until it shows up. I know this is kind of boring here, so if I had a quick joke, I'd tell you. There. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And this is the time, 21:45. That's GMT time, March 5th, 2016. Look at that. That's incredible amount of something. That's just whamming the heck out of this. Let's go back and then forward. There. And then if we go forward one more. See? Ta-da! We can look at it in a different color. I'm just going to have it go and then you'll see it. So quick you almost miss it. Okay, so let's speed it up here a little. Or let's make it go one at a time. There. That's it. In beautiful color. But what I want to do is have it go to like the beginning, like there. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in right here. Because I want to show you this formation happening out here, right in here. Now, it looks like there's something out in the ocean, like on a boat, that's shooting up some kind of water vapor system or weather modification system. You can see, like right here, a chemtrail that just all of a sudden popped up. I'm going to go back, and then we'll go forward. See it right there. But this is like coming out of like one area. Let's see, it's coming up like somebody's blowing up a balloon, and then boing, boom, boom. Wasn't quite getting enough before, so now we're really going to intensify it. And back at the beginning. Okay, so that's that. What do you think about that? Okay, now I'm on Intellicast. Let's get rid of the earthquake things. This red triangle here is possible tornado and damaging winds. That's on Northern California area. And here you can also see these lines right here. See, that's the same shadow. And if you look at some of my other videos, you can see these lines also. But something is injecting some energy in here from somewhere. From where? I can't tell you. And this is a strange line because it seems like it's where the compilation ends and gets put together. You can see over here, just ends at that line. And if I do the earthquake dots, I can't go that way. I can only go this way. Oh, and look at that. Get some energy into the system. And we've got a 5.1 here in Ecuador and a 5 in Mexico. Oh, it's exciting. It's going to be an exciting evening. Look at all the way down into here, which didn't show up on some of the other ones that I have. And even over here, look at that. Saudi Arabia. The red ones are the last 6 hours. And then it goes yellow, and then orange, and then gray, as far as earthquakes. But they know, if you look it up yourself, that these energy systems can create earthquakes along with changing the weather. If you look it up yourself, you can find that out. I recommend a few sites. Dutch Sense has a lot of information on his site. Oh, it's very intriguing, don't you think? And on here it said, oh, on one of them it said March 6th. Intriguing. Okay, I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service, my dears. Try to remember who you are, and not be afraid. This is like a 3D video game that we're playing here. So I also want to show you this video that's made by this person. This is the name of the channel. I'll have the link for this below. Warning for March 7th. We do not know much about it. We do not know what, where, who, or how serious. But this date keeps popping up and being mentioned in all the wrong places since the beginning of 2016. Our friends, our ears and eyes, our moles, our sources, everyone and everything keeps mentioning this date, which is just in 5 days, and that's because of when this was made on March 7th. So just go back down here. So be extra careful that day. Try to avoid crowded areas, public transportation, tourist areas, sports events, etc. Be smart, use your common sense, be safe.